Welcome, my friends. It's the latest news. Earthquakes in Baja California felt in San Diego County. As you can see, this is the content of the news. San Diego County, California, Baja California, Mexico, was struck by a series of earthquakes Monday morning that were felt in San Diego County. Thank you very much. Goodbye.